to review HP ProBook 445 G9. So let's just go ahead, and I already took it out of the box. So that's how it comes with the package, the standard cord and the charging adapter. Let's put this on the side and see how it looks like as far as the laptop is. It's pretty lightweight. It has a nice finish on it. It's 14 inches. On the side you will see the 3.5mm jack, HDMI, 2 USBs, and it has a charging from USB-C as well, and the standard charger it came with. On the back it says ProBook, and here on this side we have the lock if you want to use it, and the Ethernet adapter, and also another USB. Here's on the back, you will probably see some of the, I think it's the speakers, and also some of the fan cooling as well. It's pretty good. Let's open it up. So it has a keyboard with the backlight on the front. As you guys can see, it has a camera, and here are the speakers. I think the back ones were basically the fan and the cooling system. Particular model is 14-inch, as I already mentioned, and it comes with the i5 12th gen 10-core processor with it, and 8 GB of RAM DDR4. Currently it has 256 SSD, and also comes with the integrated Intel graphic card. So it's booting up. It's a nice little work machine, especially for the portability aspect. I really like the display, and also lightweight. The battery times vary, but I think from the HP regular charger, I'm getting around 8 to 9 hours easily. So yeah, it's pretty neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, my account on it. But let me know if you guys have any questions or you would like to see more details on it. Please let me know in the comment section, and I'll answer that. Thanks guys.